So in this lesson, I will show you naman an example of products that are seasonal. So some of the seasons that we have to prepare of is like the Christmas, the Halloween, Valentine's Day, summer, and actually so much more. So in this discussion, I will show you naman on how to determine some seasonal products. So let's jump into it. So malalaman natin kapag seasonal ang isang product kapag sa specific months lang sila mabenta, like for example itong item na to. So kung ibabacktrack natin siya into all, historically mabenta siya, no? So pero kung mapapansin niyo dito last year of October dito, hanggang October to November hanggang December, biglang bumaba yung sales rank niya and dumabi din yung number of sellers. Okay, ibig sabihin, although bumibenta siya historically every single month, pero nagkaroon siya ng huge sales simula nung December. Simply because this item is actually a gift set. Ayan. Which means perfect for a gift sa kanilang loved ones. So, and then kung titingnan natin into year, nawala yung demand ng item after January. And then hanggang sa out of stock na siya. And then hanggang sa nawala na ding mga sellers na nag-restock na sa item na to since seasonal. And then dito, let's put them into 3 months. Kung mapapansin nyo dito, starting from October, nagkakaroon na naman siya ng demand this month of October kasi malapit na mag-Christmas, which is mas lalo pa siyang magiging mabenta for sure pagdating ng December. Kasi kung ibabacktrack natin dito, mabenta sa last year of October dito. So this is actually a perfect time na ibenta din to, which is this is actually kasi for sure bebenta talaga to this coming December since October ngayon. So this is a perfect time na mag-restock sa item na kasi meron namang history na mabenta sa last year of October. So this is a perfect time. So I will also give you another example of a seasonal product. So this item is actually a chocolate advent calendar. And then kung titingnan natin sa graph, let's put them into all. So let's try to see this dito. Ayan. So kung mapapansin natin dito historically, naging mabenta itong item na to simula nung October 1. Ayan. And sobrang bumaba pa yung sales rank niya. That means mas lalo pa siyang bumenta by the month of November. Ayan, November hanggang sa December dito. And then since mabenta yung item, during these days, dumami din yung number of sellers to the fact na nag-average na siya into 39 new seller count during these days. And then biglang bumaba naman yung seller count simply because ang daming sellers na nabentahan and nawala ng stocks dito sa item na to kasi sobrang mabenta yung item. Sobrang naging mababa na lang yung sales rank nito. The fact na nag-average na lang siya into dito 736 sales rank. So sobrang napakataas ng demand ng item na to during November tsaka December. Tapos dito kung mapapansin nyo, after December, unti-unti na ding tumataas yung sales rank niya kasabay ng pagbaba ng seller count, diba? Simply because nawawala na ng demand yung item kasi this item is only good for November to December. Okay, and then as we can see here dito, pag tungtong ng January, hindi na ulit siya bumibenta and wala na ding sellers na bumibenta sa item na to. And then dito, let's put them into here. Ibabalikan natin dito, ayan, dito, and then dito starting from October again, nagiging mabenta na naman siya hanggang sa December dito. Kaso konti na lang yung sellers na nagbebenta nito. Ayan, 3 sellers na lang. So that's how easy you can identify a seasonal products. So ang pinaka-point of view dito, magandang maghanap ng mga seasonal products kapag 1 month before mag-start yung season. Like for example, this coming December, ang mga possible na items na magiging mabenta this coming December is like mga pricing games, gift sets, and mga advent calendars like this. So ang technique dyan, October and November pa lang, maghanap na kayo ng mga ganitong products. Para pagdating ng December, we already have that stocks, no? Diba? So by that, you can maximize those kind of deals that would help your clients na magkaroon ng sales this coming seasonal events, like most especially the Christmas. So ayun, basically that's how easy you can identify some seasonal products by using the Keepa Graph. So yun, that's all again guys for this another lesson, and I hope that you can now identify some seasonal products by only reading the Keepa. So see you to our next discussion, and bye for now. Bye! So if you want to learn more about kung paano ba maging Amazon VA, most especially as a product researcher, I really suggest na mag-invest kayo sa AvaPH because meron silang courses. Meron silang course about PR, Amazon PR, no, PR1, saka PR2, and I think meron na din silang wholesale course that would really help you to become an Amazon VA then. And yeah, yun nga, I really suggest na mag-invest na kayo sa course nila because these lessons na ginagawa natin are only an overview to learn about Amazon PR, and from these courses, no, matututunan nyo talaga dito from basic to advanced sourcing. Okay, plus magkakaroon pa kayo dito ng mga trainings after the course, and bibigyan din nila kayo ng access sa mga tools and softwares na ginagamit talaga nila sa pagsasource. And actually, you are also not investing sa course nila because you are also investing sa community nila. And yun nga, napaka hands-on ng mga coaches and marami ding mga VAs ang tutulong ito sa inyo sa mga questions. And currently, meron na din silang 80.3k members. And actually, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito sa community nila is talagang tulungan sila paangat. Plus, may mga free lessons din sila kung paano mag-apply, paano gumawa ng resume, and the most important is they also have referrals, which is i-refer nila kayo sa mga clients if you already done the courses and trainings nila. Kasi dito sa AvaPH and yung mga coaches behind this community are napakabait, napakagaling, and ang dami ding clients and agencies na alam ang AvaPH. Kaya yun nga, napaka-advantage ng mga nakagraduate na galing sa AvaPH because alam ng mga clients yung quality ng services ng mga VA na galing sa Ava. Okay? Kaya if you want to learn more about Amazon PR, I will put the links dito sa baba ng description natin and i-visit nyo na lang sila. So with that, good luck sa inyo and see you inside the community.